Hello, my name is Dana Johnson and I currently live in Jersey City, New Jersey. As mentioned on the discussion board, I work as a substitute teacher teaching math, English, science, art, even music. I also had the privilege, you could say, these past 2 summers teaching this class called Business and Leadership. It was a business ESL class by the Renard Language School in New York, which is also owned by Berkeley College. That was a wonderful opportunity for me, and it really opened my eyes up to explore other opportunities in teaching. So I'm using this opportunity to not only improve my teaching skills, but also to perhaps make myself more marketable, right? I see myself as teaching ESL at the collegiate level. Now, in terms of my background, I studied economics and international relations at the American College of Switzerland. Shortly thereafter, I got my master's in music business from New York University. I've worked 7 years in the music industry, in promotion, and also in A&R and production. And I then transferred a lot of those skills I had learned to the finance industry and started my career as a financial advisor. Having worked for several different firms, I actually started teaching. I actually got my first teaching gig teaching the Series 7. Can you believe that? One of the most challenging exams, and it was recommended to me to teach. It wasn't something that I initiated. So after teaching the Series 7, I kind of looked at teaching in a whole different light. Now, moving along, I have explored this option again in the last 3 years, and I'm making great progress. So this is basically how I look at it. Teaching provides an independent source of income, and it can be rewarding as well. So for me, I needed a school like UCLA that has a great name and a great reputation, right? UCLA's extension program is recognized around the world. And I saw that the cost was very reasonable. So that was important to me. The brand name was a great name, so that was important for me. And of course, the time, the fact that it's online, right, is it's flexible for a work schedule like mine. I work multiple jobs, so this gives me an opportunity to take care of my responsibilities along with, meeting the requirements of this certificate. So I'm very grateful for this program. I'm looking forward to learning new things in this program, and I'm looking forward to using this certificate to get me more opportunities. Thank you.